The second service, or can say a product that Photons Energy offers, is solar water heating system. This is a system whereby we use solar energy converted to heat energy for showers, for washing utensils, for any other purposes that requires hot water or warm water. This is actually the most cost-effective technology where you can apply it to harvest the energy from the sun. The most important thing is actually the amount of money that the client is investing for these systems. And unlike other solar systems, this is very cost effective because it's one-time investment. You don't need to invest it again for up to 25-30 years, meaning that, and the payback is only less than a year, meaning that you can recover the cost that you invested within a year, which otherwise you would have paid the electric company for a number of years without stoppage. So you find that this is very important. This is the way that people need to invest in solar water heating system, because it's not only economical but also it's environmentally friendly. You get to save environment because these systems works without emitting any harmful gases to the atmosphere.